My name is Ashwini Belamkar and I am from Mumbai.
My name is Deepak.
I am Krisha Ferreira.
Smrita Ghosh.
I am Yogesh Jadhav.
I am Abhay.
Hi, I am Tina Kurana.
My name is Harshit Shah.
I'm Jeff Zeckler. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio, in the United States. We designed the GCL program to be an immersive learning experience where students and faculty both learned innovation and leadership skills at the same time. It increased a sense of self-awareness, improved their abilities to work into groups and teams, and also taught tools to go out and change the world. Let's hear what the students and faculty thought of the experience.
So basically I realized over the time that self-development is a driving factor for me. So whichever idea that I've generated, I've nurtured it, I've given it weight, it has only made me confident about the idea and motivated me to work on it and take it further. So self-development, I've found many ways of self-development through the GCL program.
It is a kind of a hero's journey for me because I started without nothing. I had nothing to lose, but in the end, I always gained something, and I think I can apply this into my daily activities and even in my studies so that I can go up. And Shukla always tells us that be positive.
There is no fear in me to talk to people, talk to strangers. So this is what GCL have given me. And about presentations, like how initially I used to present, there is a huge difference.
Ultimately, you will try, fail, and finally you will get a solution which would be a very optimal solution or a perfect fit for the problems that you are facing. So don't get disappointed if you are not getting to a destination as such. Just try, and ultimately you will find a solution.
Earlier I was a very introvert person. Now I'm a very extrovert because of CCL only. And the other one is I think I'm now the quality of leadership has came to me, and that's it.
We met as strangers. We came with different thought processes. There was a fear. How will we work together?
But the most important thing is that when we are working in the team and we have to not only concern about ourselves, but we have to think about our other team members.
The synergies between the group and how personal issues become important.
You learn more by listening to others rather than keeping your point forward.
Taught me how to deal with people, how to get onto consensus.
So we should not take it personally and we should move ahead.
But now the entire focus has changed from I to we. So now we are more focused on the team.
How to identify the strengths in others and leverage it in order to come up with solutions that are socially relevant.
We have learned a lot of things like regarding collaboration, leadership, communication skills and everything. But the main thing is actually behind the learning perspective. The learning what we have got through through this GCL program is somewhat like can't be measured in any terms.
Every start of a journey should have an end so that the other journey will be much better.
Thinking beyond the obvious, which is much more necessary to analyze and interpret things outside the world.
Before I was thinking sitting inside the four walls, but GCL has made me think out of this four walls.
Keeping one's mind very, very open and broadening one's horizon, that's what I'll take along with me.
This is something that we'll take for life. Being GCL buddies, it was great working together, and our mentors were truly amazing.
For me now, the success really is keeping a good heart and a clean heart. So I thank CCL for changing and redefining what success meant to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
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 Thank you, GCL.
अपनी जीत हो